January 5, 2018. 3 Lions Getty Images. Christine Moore. 11,500-year-old DNA has been extracted from a girl that lived to just 6 weeks of age, and her ancient DNA has revealed a brand new society of Native Americans living in Alaska that scientists had never known existed up until now. The child's given name is Zarkitiananteed Guy, which translates to Sunrise Girl Child. University of Alaska Fairbanks anthropologist Ben Potter has described this momentous event as being one that took even scientists by surprise. "We didn't know this population existed. It would be difficult to overstate the importance of this newly revealed people to our understanding of how ancient populations came to inhabit the Americas." Along with Guy, another infant known as Dawn Twilight Girl Child was also discovered among the ruins of a site in Alaska known as Upward Sun River. While the discovery of these 2 children was in 2013, a new study has just been published which outlines the history of the Native American people known as ancient Berengins. This is groundbreaking DNA work, as previously there were only known to be 2 distinct groups of early Native Americans. However, scientists studying the DNA of these 2 11,500-year-old infants found that they belonged to neither the northern nor the southern branch of Native Americans and must have belonged to an unknown society of people, according to Science Alert. The genome of a baby girl buried 11,500 years ago in Alaska has revealed a new discovered group of ancient people. https://core7lxh5sdk. Frontline Genomics at Phenomics. January 5, 2018. Scientists used demographic modeling while studying the DNA to determine that about 35,000 years ago there had been a major split between a group of Native Americans and East Asians, and then around 20,000 years ago ancient Berengins are believed to have separated from the first Native Americans of the country, as Frontline Genomics report. Temple University geneticist Joshua Schreiber explained that this DNA work has given scientists a vast wealth of information to study about the previously unknown group of people known as ancient Berengins. If you could ask for ancient DNA for Christmas, this is what you would ask for. It gives you a much better window into population structure back then. Interestingly, the 6-week-old infant was found to share half of her DNA with that of the North Eurasian Society of People who currently reside in Siberia. The other half of her DNA pointed to North and Southern Native Americans. Mark Thiessen App Images. The research conducted on the infant children's DNA showed scientists that there were groups of people living in Alaska over 20,000 years ago, and crucially proved that one main group of people migrating were responsible for the current Native American population, as University of Cambridge geneticist Esquilas Lev revealed. "We were able to show that people probably entered Alaska before 20,000 years ago. It's the first time that we have had direct genomic evidence that all Native Americans can be traced back to one source population, via a single, founding migration event." The new study detailing the DNA analysis of the 11,500-year-old infant from Alaska, which led scientists to discover the new group of Native Americans known as ancient Berengins, can be read in the journal Nature.